Hey Lopez family, I've been practicing. I'm pretty sure I beat my last record of 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Leave in the comments of how fast you think I can do it now. Since I've been practicing and doing so good, my grandma bought me this new Gancube that I've been wanting. And I love it because it has these magnets so it slows down the cube so it's more like my moves are more precise and it doesn't overturn. You know what I mean? I've actually become way faster since my last video. I've been working on my hand positioning and working on my algorithms, so I'll show you how fast I can do it now. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, Done. 1 minute and 11 seconds. I'm telling you guys, I got way faster. Look, fully solved. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 more solves to show you that I really got faster and that wasn't just a fluke. Okay, I'm ready for the second solve. Let's go. Oh, I got under a minute. I got 59 seconds. That's like really close to my PR, personal record. I think that's like maybe like 6 seconds off my personal record. My personal record was like 52, 53 seconds. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, I got way faster. I practiced for like 2 weeks since the last video. Alright, let's do one last solve. Okay, I'm ready for the last solve. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, I forgot to click it. I clicked the wrong spot, but I should have like a minute or 59 seconds. But a minute and 1 is still really good. I'm telling you. See, I got way faster. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's see next video if I can get it under 30 seconds. And we will pin the comment down below who got the correct times. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.